Delivery optimization is a peer-to-peer client update service that makes use of computers, both local and non-local devices via the internet to deliver updated Windows 10 bits to an organization's network PC. This can effectively reduce the amount of time to update all computers on a network. Although this is a solid performing feature, sometimes certain issues can occur. In this short video tutorial, we will show you how to fix the service delivery optimization high network usage issues. Before performing any of the recommended troubleshooting steps, it's best to restart your computer first. This action refreshes the operating system and removes any corrupt temporary data that could be causing the problem. First, disable the update from more than one place setting. The first thing you will need to do in this case is to turn off the feature that allows your computer to download the update from various network computers. Type Windows Update Settings in the search bar and open the Settings application. Click Advanced Options. Click on Delivery Optimization. Turn off the switch for Allow downloads from other PC. Then, restart your computer. Try to check if the delivery optimization high internet usage problem still occurs. Next, disable automatic updates in Store application. Sometimes this problem can be caused by the Microsoft Store application downloading updates for certain apps installed on your computer. To do this, open the Microsoft Store application. Then, click on the three dots on the upper right side of the application. Then, click on Settings. Turn off the switch for the Update Apps Automatically option. Then, restart your computer. Try to check if the service host delivery optimization high network usage problem still occurs. Next, edit the group policy. One method to disable the delivery optimization feature is from the group policy. To do this, press Windows plus R. Then, type gpedit.msc in the dialog box and press Enter. Then, go to Computer Configuration Administrative Templates. Then, go to Windows Components. Then, go to Delivery Optimization. Double-click on Download Mode found on the right side of the screen. Once in the Properties, change the policy to Enable. On the drop-down menu, click on Bypass. Then, go to Computer Configuration. Then click Administrative Templates. Then click Network. Then click Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Then double-click on Limit the maximum network bandwidth for bits background transfers to open Properties. Once in the Properties, change the policy to Enabled. Then, change the background transfer rate according to your internet connection. Usually 10 kilobits per second is a good setting. Then, restart your computer. Then try to check if the service host's delivery optimization high bandwidth usage issue still occurs. I hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.